Look at that. Okay, so what you'll need for this is 2 peeled potatoes. You'll need some spray oil and some paper towel to take the starch off of the potatoes. Okay, so first step is, what we want to do is we want to square off the potatoes. The reason why I want to do this is it makes it easier to cut into thin strips. Okay, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna cut them as thin as possible. Obviously the sharper your knife the better. Okay, so you want it about like that. See how that flat surface makes it so much easier to cut. Okay, now we're gonna go down. Okay, that's what you're going for. Looking nice and skinny, that is. We are making skinny fries after all. Next thing you want to do is you want to try to get as much starch out of these potatoes as possible. So you're trying to put them on some paper towel and just kind of squeeze it out. Squeeze out as much juice and starch as possible. You happy? Just start popping it into the air fryer. Okay, now it's time to get some oil on them. I like to use coconut oil. Obviously this is going to give the fries a nice little brown look to it. We just want to spray it on there. And just shake it in. Repeat the process. Once done, and just pop that in. We're going to cook these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so we've had our skinny tall fries in the air fryer just for under 20 minutes. So let's see what it looks like. Look at that. That is perfect tall skinny French fries. Alright guys, if you found this video useful, make sure you give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. Appreciate it.